Hello guys, how you doing today? I have a BMW iX 2022 and I'm gonna show you how to replace the microfilter in it or the cabin air filter. So in order to do that, you have to go inside the car. Let's go. Open the door. Passenger side kick panel. We have two clip. You could manually remove the clip to turn it right here, and then kick panel will drop. Remove this line for the there. We're gonna try to take this part out right here. See where this line going to. We're gonna follow this. So to take this cover out so that you can replace the microfilter. So once you get there, you see this line. Okay, there's like a button right here. We're gonna turn it. That's one. There's another one here. Still another here. That's three. We're gonna drop this cover there, and the cabin air filter. You see how it's dirty. It's right here, and you have to clean like all the dirt. So the first way, same way like I remove this one, and watch how the way like of the owl facing the airflow. And you gotta match this one the same way right here, and try to install it the same way. You remove it. Put it over here, and it's going up, and put this cover back. Lock the switch. Lock the switch.